How to export and save video from Filto app. Let's quickly learn how to export and save your videos from Filto. Open the app, tap the plus icon to start a new project. Import a photo or video from the gallery you want to edit. Once it loads, edit as per you want. Add filter, effects, sticker, text, and more. Tap the edit button at top. Tap the edit button at top right corner. It looks like arrow downward, and boom, it will automatically save to your gallery. You can share your photo or video to your social media like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, or message. And that's it. Your masterpiece is now saved and ready to share. If you love this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe for more Filto tips. Catch you in the next one.